Okay, we got our piece that we sanded out and that we cut. Wipe this off. This was a piece that we had cut off, because this is the back of the head that you'll be able to take off if you have to get inside the head to make repairs. So we're going to take one of our neck pieces. Remember, we marked these A and B, so we're going to set this one on here. And you want to make sure you line it up. And then we're going to mark this right here. And we'll mark it up here so I know where to put, where I need to stop with the glue. A line here and a line down through here. So we're going to set this piece aside, and we're going to glue this to this. And this glue is just ordinary wood glue that you can buy at any hardware store. Doesn't have to be that brand. So then we're going to take this and line it up on here. And then just make it snug till we get our clamps around it. Wipe off any excess glue you might have. And we're going to set this aside for a couple hours to let it set up, and then we'll glue the other piece to this side over here.